Fxdanielsavage here, man. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support, man. We basically broke 25K on YouTube, 60,000 on Instagram. Bought a little bottle of Dom P. And yeah, man, let's see what we can do with this thing, man. We're gonna pop a little bottle over here for you guys, man. You know, this thing, man. One thing about these bottles, man, when you pop them, bro, you just kind of get like a little bit, you know. Come on, man. You guys know the vibes, man. Daniel fucking Savage, man. Get the bundle, you heard me?